In the diaspora, Cameroonians in Turkey also celebrated the National Day. Watch this video to the end to see how Cameroon Anglophone families in Turkey called CAF celebrated the National Day in Ankara, Turkey. You're welcome back again to our channel. This is Lydia talking right away from Turkey, Istanbul. I'm a Cameroonian here in Turkey, and I would like to show you how some Cameroonians celebrated their National Day in Ankara. So guys, please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please also turn on the notification button so that you will always be updated whenever I create a video. So guys, I want to talk a little bit about the 20th May celebration. 20th May, known to be the Unity Day or the National Day in Cameroon. In French, Fête Nationale or Fête Nationale de Unité. It is also celebrated annually to commemorate the abolishment of the federal system of government and creation of a unitary system or country in 1972 by the first president of the country, late President Amadou Ahidjo. Before Cameroon was under the German rule, that is in 1884 to 1916. Then later, after the First World War in 1914 to 1916, the Germans were defeated by the British and French. British and French partitioned Cameroon into two parts from 1916 to 1957, where British took 1/5 of the territory and French took 1/4 of the territory. On the 1st of January 1960, French Cameroon achieved independence from France, and British Southern Cameroon changed status from a trusted ship under the British administration to a federal state within Cameroon on the 1st of October 1961. Years later, both sides and leaders came together to form a unitary state. Hence, in a referendum conducted on the 20th of May 1972, Cameroonians voted for a unitary state and stood against the existing federal system. The 20th May is therefore regarded as a national unity day throughout the whole territory and is celebrated by the young and the old, for it constituted the beginning of one Cameroon. May 20, 2023 marks the 51st edition of the National Unity Day under the theme Defense Forces and Cameroonian People in Harmony to Safeguard Peace and National Unity, bedrock of a strong and prosperous Cameroon. As our motto says, big work, fatherland. In the diaspora, Cameroonians in Turkey also celebrated the National Day. Watch this video to the end to see some videos on how Cameroon Anglophone family in Turkey called CAF celebrated the National Day. Our brother was live at the Cameroon embassy in Ankara. This is one of our Cameroonian brothers called Abako. So he was showing us live the embassy in Ankara. That is Cameroon embassy in Ankara.
Je voulais dire, la fête nationale, la fête d'un Cameroun uni et indivisible. Merci à vous tous ici présents d'avoir accepté de partager avec nous ce moment.
His Excellency, our Ambassador of Cameroon, we are here today to celebrate the Minister of Sport, Kombi Mwele, parmi nous ce soir. We are very happy, green and yellow, with the yellow star on the red. Cameroon, our country, Mawo, Mawo, Mawo. Nous sommes ici avec Oushka Dena, Miraba Kanka, Yavash Yavash, Maou, Maou, Maou. When we talk about green, red, yellow, and you see the hairstyle, you know where we came from. Maintenant we are going away, we are sorry to miss you tonight. We are coming back again. Comment ça maintenant c'est pour aller préparer pour réveiller.
Cameroon.